to ColourHouse showroom. My name is Louise Klarsten, and as part of the ColourHouse team here, I'd like to show you some pretty nice news. This is Pantone latest news in paper edition, Pantone Fashion and Home and Interior edition, where we work with 6-digit colors. TPG used to be TPX, but TPX disappeared already 2015. So let's use TPG to be safe. We have 350 new colors, and they are all integrated in a nice new harmony. 2 parts, one guide and guide 2. One folder and a second folder. Each page in TPG guide, like this, follows the same logic into the folder. So you will be able to find your page. You can tear off as usual, and when you're getting down here you can order new sheets. Because the order is new, the new chromatic order in the whole Fashion Home Interior 26-25 edition means that this all the colors has a new position. That's why we get these beautiful flows. So if I can mention the earlier editions we had, TPG, the last couple of years until recently, also 2 folders and 2 guides. Just notice that the order is different in the new one I just showed you, and the tier of pages, replacement pages, has its own article number in our web shop. You can order them as stock lasts. I also want to mention that all our people working with hard goods, which this is perfect for, so like interior lacquered surfaces, maybe helmets, belts, accessories. You would like to see the colors in a big sheet. So, ta-da! We've launched TPG sheets. Some of you have seen them, and it's very popular among those who have discovered them. So each single color, just as in a sibling system, cotton system, you can order big sheets and you would have your code at the back. You can even cut them in small pieces and bring to your suppliers or show your sales staff the real color. Because this is nitrocellulose lacquered colors. This system has nothing to do with the graphic system from Pantone. There are conversations where you can translate colors, but you know, you can see 10 million colors. If you want to be precise, and today you want to be precise, you want to produce the exact color you thought of, and that's why it's better to order your sheets and check out the colors in a big size. Put them on the floor, go to the window, go to your light booth, check out with your samples and earlier color products, and see which one to choose before you start production, and that would help you a lot. So, Fashion Home Interior, paper edition, 2 folders, 2 guides, 2,625 design colors. I think the design world is a pretty happy place to be. And you know, see you in the web shop, in a virtual showroom, or why not at ColourHouse in Göteborg. Welcome, bye.